welcome to day 22 of the Wellspring 6-minute writing little mini workshops. So today's prompt is one that's very close to my heart. We had a dramatic day yesterday. Everybody's okay, but our prompt this morning is rainbow, which certainly in Britain at least is particularly significant at the moment. So remember for your 6-minute writing that ideally, for me anyway, I use a notebook and a pen. My favourite pen is one of these Bic Crystal 1.6mm. One's really nice to write with. So try and make your 6-minute writing, your Wellspring writing, as much of a treat as possible. Some of you prefer to use laptops. That's fine, anything goes. I like to write in keywords and phrases, and I don't use punctuation or grammar. I just write in keywords and phrases. As soon as I use punctuation and grammar and writing sentences, first of all, it slows me down, but also I start to get all caught up as well in editing. And this is not the stage for editing. You want to edit afterwards. This is just the time for you to let yourself go and just let the words and ideas just sort of flow through you. You're just the conduit. So, the key to this is to write and write and write and don't stop. Whether you write really, really quickly or whether you write slowly, it's totally up to you. I will, as ever, do the timing for you and bring that up on my phone. So your 6-minute writing, remember, just write and write and write, even if the only thing you can think of to say is, I don't know what to write, I don't know what to write. Just keep writing, and usually, just about always, something breaks through for you. So your 6-minute writing on rainbow begins now. Okay, everybody, so that is your 6 minutes up, and I'm just going to move Peppy out from behind the screen, who suddenly decided this is her show. I hope you enjoyed your 6 minute writing today. I am Laura Fife, and there's a little passage about rainbows in Wellspring, just towards the end of Wellspring. I think rainbows have a great lesson for all of us, in that in turbulent times when you have no idea what to expect, a lot of good can come out, that we can be very grateful for as well. So yeah, have a lovely day, everybody. Take care, stay well, and happy writing, of course.